Hello friends, let us continue with the series of considering various multiple choice questions. Here is one compound, it is written, can be prepared by the reaction of this compound. Alternatives: phenyl group, I have written this compound in this fashion. If this were hydrogen atom, then this becomes a phenol. So, hydrogen atom of phenol is replaced by acyl group in general. In specific, this is benzoxy, or we can call it as benzoyl group, C6H5 phenyl ring attached to carbonyl group, benzoyl. Means, structure point of view, hydrogen atom attached to this oxygen, then this would become phenol, the phenol hydrogen atom, and hydrogen atom of phenol is replaced by benzoyl group, acyl group. So, acylation of phenol that way. So, this benzoyl phenol compound is to be prepared. Then among the four, which one is the right method? Phenol and benzoic acid in presence of NaOH, phenol and benzoyl chloride structure I have written here, benzoyl group, benzoyl chloride, benzyl is different. If it were CH2, that is benzyl, that is different. This is benzoyl. Benzoyl chloride in presence of pyridine, benzyl and phenol in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, although in various MCQs they do not mention each and every condition, but we have to consider that. Unless just using ZnCl2 has no meaning, this is anhydrous, it should be absence of, even trace amount of water is not allowed, absence of moisture, and phenol and benzaldehyde in presence of palladium. Now, phenol and benzoic acid, phenol is basically acid, this is benzoic acid. In presence of NaOH, they will get neutralized, salt and water, and they will give corresponding anions. So, benzoic acid, when reacted with NaOH, will get converted into this sodium benzoate, and phenol reacted with NaOH will give sodium phenoxide. So, these two negative anions will not interact to give the desired product. Actually, it is quite simple that the product this, or we have written in our routine method, it is quite clear that hydrogen atom of phenolic OH group is replaced by benzoyl group, and for that is used benzoyl chloride, the structure I have written. You have to focus on these two options. Now, benzoyl chloride in presence of ZnCl2, although they have written it should be anhydrous ZnCl2, and anhydrous ZnCl2 as we know is what? Lewis acid, dehydrating agent, means it has capacity to accept a lone pair of electrons and form a coordinate covalent bond, developing especially electrophilic reagent anhydrous AlCl3, anhydrous AlBr3. Up till now we have considered, in some cases free H plus ions, protonation. Similarly, this reagent we have used earlier also. If this reagent were used, then what will happen? 3 lone pairs are present on chlorine, and out of 3, 1 lone pair and empty orbital of zinc, lone pair forms a bond pair and this shared pair therefore goes with chlorine, giving rise to, let me write it here, giving rise to and what remains behind is this. This is electrophile. And now this electrophile means in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, Lewis acid, benzyl chloride, heterolysis will take place like we have considered earlier, acylation, in general acetylation. Similarly, bromination in presence of anhydrous AlBr3, Br plus, acetyl group, acetylation, electrophilic substitution reaction. Both type of acetylation reactions we have considered. You can go back and revise it. Similar pattern. Here it is just different acyl group. Normally we prefer acetyl. So, electrophilic substitution reaction. So, this with phenol, since this is electrophile, these two will interact and will result in SE reaction, means electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. And now, electrophilic substitution reaction and phenolic OH group, as we know, because of the lone pair, although there are 2 lone pairs, one take part, because of the lone pair, phenol or the phenolic OH group attached to aromatic carbon plus R effect activating and activating and orthopara directing. This also we have already considered. Therefore, under this condition, if this benzyl chloride is reacted with phenol, so because of presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, up till now what I have told you, this electrophile benzyl carbocation, benzyl ZOYL, benzyl carbocation is formed and this will act as electrophile like what we have considered Br plus during bromination or acyl group, acetylation, acetyl group. And since phenol, just now I have told you, because of positive resonance effect, it is activating, electron density in the ring increases and it is orthopara directing, mixture of ortho and para is produced. Among those, para will be major. So, hydrogen atom attached to carbon will get removed in the form of H plus and will be replaced by this electrophile benzyl group, and what we get is this. So, this is SE reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction. If benzyl chloride and phenol are reacted in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, we get this, and in addition to this para position also at ortho position, benzyl group. The answer or the product asked in the question is different. So, this option in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 is not the answer for this question. Actually, answer for the question is this. Let me explain how. So, just now I have told you benzyl chloride in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 will get converted into electrophile and electrophilic substitution reaction at phenol will take place. But if benzyl chloride and phenol, if they are reacted in presence of pyridine, then it will not be electrophilic substitution reaction, then it will be a different reaction. Phenol will act as a nucleophile. We normally in short write in this fashion, nucleophile. The reaction pattern or mechanism is similar to what we have considered under the heading of acetylation of amines. If you go back and again revise acetylation of amines, then whatever I am going to explain you here is just a revision, only the example is different, basic pattern, steps or mechanism is same. Phenol will act as a nucleophile, and out of two lone pairs, one lone pair on oxygen, the lone pair on oxygen will attack carbonyl carbon. Now, as we know, carbonyl carbon is polar, delta positive on carbon, delta negative on oxygen, so many times we have heard this. And the moment lone pair forms a bond pair, out of the two, the one which is pi will get shifted to oxygen, and therefore, what we get, let me write it here, this the pi bond gets shifted towards oxygen and chlorine which is present here, and now phenol, one lone pair on phenolic OH group, oxygen atom of phenolic OH group forms a bond. Let me write it here, one lone pair is still there, and so because one lone pair forms a shared pair, positive charge is developed here, and this is aromatic. I will write it in this fashion, and moment this lone pair again it is retained by carbon and oxygen, the moment this lone pair comes back, chlorine goes out in the form of chloride ions, means it is SN type of reaction. Phenol attacks in the form of nucleophile, the lone pair of electrons on oxygen on phenolic OH group, and chlorine leaves in the form of Cl minus ions, that I can write here, carbon, oxygen double bond. Now, chlorine goes out in the form of Cl minus ions. This was carbon oxygen double bond and earlier group, and this, let me retain the color for the sake of understanding. One lone pair is there, positive charge, and since positive charge is there on oxygen, it is electron deficient, this hydrogen will go out in the form of proton, and this hydrogen when it gets, because oxygen will try to retain the lone pair, since one lone pair has become a shared pair with this oxygen will cover that lost electron density by retaining this shared pair, and therefore, hydrogen will go out in the form of H plus ions. When hydrogen leaves in the form of H plus ions, what we get, let me write it here, let me make a box. When hydrogen leaves in the form of H plus ions, what remains behind is phenoxy. Let me write it properly. So, this is nothing but what we wish. Phenolic hydrogen is replaced by benzoxy group. So, here again let me repeat it, phenol attacks in the form of nucleophile, and chlorine in the benzyl chloride goes out in the form of nucleophile. So, it is nucleophilic substitution, SN reaction, nucleophilic substitution, and the byproduct, because in the earlier step chlorine goes out in the form of H plus ions, and in the last step this hydrogen goes out in the form of H plus ions. Therefore, HCl is removed. Pyridine is a base, and this base will react with HCl and convert into salt, and therefore, this is basically a reversible reaction. Because of use of pyridine, HCl will react with pyridine and it will get converted into salt. So, the reverse reaction is prevented, reaction will go more and more in forward direction, that is the purpose of use of pyridine. But this is how we have considered two different reactions, and the answer for the question, if we wish to get this product, means this, the answer is phenol and benzyl chloride in presence of pyridine. Here phenol and benzaldehyde in presence of palladium, no reaction will take place. Palladium we use as a catalyst, nickel, palladium, platinum, for addition of hydrogen. So, this is irrelevant option, and here neutralization of both will take place, but it will not result in our product. Here electrophilic substitution reaction, the different product I have just explained before this. So, answer is B. This is nucleophilic, and if this were the alternative, then it would be electrophilic substitution.